actually a ministry for me. I'm a computer technologist, but what happened was I thought I was going to be this big programmer, and I met David Robinson. And so what he was doing with the Business 101 was he was helping entrepreneurs with their business. He was kind of filling in the gap, if you will. Like if you say, I have a business, but I don't know how to market it, or I'm trying to get a patent, but I don't know where to go, or whatever. He was meeting every person at their need so that they can take their business and make it to the next level. He was doing 501c3s, helping people with those, helping you file for LLC, all of that. And I thought, wow, this is amazing, because I know from my experience that being in business is the best way to put money in your pocket and keep it there. So I've been in business practically my whole life. My father was an entrepreneur, and so I saw him and thought, wow, I want to be like my dad. My first business was a cleaning service, commercial cleaning service, and while I was doing that business, I realized that I didn't want to clean toilets for the rest of my life. And I had money. I mean, I was able to employ some of my family members, but I realized that I felt that God had more for me. He put a lot into me, and that I'm not at my full potential. So I went back to school. Actually, I went to school for massage therapy. Now, that's not cleaning. That's totally different. Okay. So I became a massage therapist. I was inspired by a lady that I met, and she was a therapist. And I went, kind of shadowed her for a while, and I just really became wow, I just have to do this. So I went to school for it, and I got out, and I went to go work for my dad. My dad's a hairdresser. So through working with him, but God had a plan for me. You can see I'm not a massage therapist right now. This is a testimony. God had a plan for me. So I'm working, I'm doing that, everything is going well. I'm in the National Guard, I'm finishing up the last few years of my military enlistment, and boom, I get hit with lupus. I couldn't walk, I couldn't talk, I was just sick all the time, So, and I was making a lot of money at the time, and I had my own business, and I was helping my dad. Yay for me, right? No, that wasn't what I was supposed to do. God had a purpose for me. See, I was doing what I wanted to do. So my doctors told me, move somewhere warm. Okay, so move forward real fast. I'm in Texas. Right? I listened to the doctor, they were right, I feel much better. Then I got married, and my husband said, honey, you don't have to work. You can just sit at home and cook my meals. I said, oh, that sounds nice. I couldn't do it. Anyway, so I started volunteering with the church, and the program that I was in at the church, we were concerned with adoption for children. We found out that Black children are disproportionately left behind in the foster care system. And I thought, wow, this is a good cause to get behind. And Mr. Robinson was also a part of that program. That's how we met. So when I came to him and he was doing his Business 101, I just happened to call because I was at home. My husband said he was tired of eating chocolate cake. I was making a cake every week, and he was like, babe, I'm going to get fat. Can you slow up on the chocolate cake? I'm like, but honey, I just was bored. So I got involved with him. We're working with people there. I'm teaching technology, helping all with that, and I was sitting there talking to one of the people in the class, and they said they didn't have a computer. I said, I can build one for less than $100. This man snapped. He said, what? You have to tell people about that. And that's how my business was birthed. I had no idea I was going to do this when I was in school studying technology and all those hard coding classes and all that. I never realized that this is what I was going to be doing, and it became a ministry because I'm passionate about getting people a computer in their hand, getting kids who are walking around in $100 tennis shoes, and mama doesn't know that she can buy with that same $100 a computer. Yeah. And that computer is going to take him through his life. All the businesses are going to computers. If you try to pay a bill, it's on a computer. You have to have computer skills. There's no way around it. our children at school now. Now, I put my grandbaby in school. They don't have books. They have iPads.
Wow.
Apple has donated iPads so that every child in that school has their own iPad that they can take home at night, keep over the summer, and carry it over to the next grade. So if we don't,
And if we do not fill out those forms, those dollars would not be sent to our community.
So it's a ministry.
So y'all saying that you want better schools, y'all saying y'all want better healthcare facilities, and y'all saying that y'all want better transportation, those type of things, you gotta be able to do things like the census. The census don't come around every 10 years.
Anyone wants to have my
So
card,
those dollars don't come into our area.
Thank
We
you
do
so
not let
much.
them know that we are here. They don't care.
Thank you, DJ.